Okay, start by taking out these screws here. Two more here, right here. Repeat for the other side. Okay, with all the screws removed, do one of those, lift it right off. Okay, next thing we gotta do is take off these wires. If you don't want to remember where they go, take a picture. But, you know, other than that, take those off first. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how we do this, or how I do it. I think it's focusing on it. No, it's not. So looking at this connector, this here is like a little, it's a little tab. It actually sticks up. And that's because when you push it down, that little tab there is sticking up. It's sticking up. So when you push in this back one here, it'll lower the front one and then you can pull it out. So what I was using is get needle nose right there and you squeeze, then you just pull it back. Let's try and show you. This is hard to do one-handed, but okay, here, let's see it. There, squeeze it, and then do that. I'm trying to use the phone as my eyes, so this is really weird. And squeeze it. I'm not sure if I got it. There, got it that time. Okay, so that's how you do those. Okay, so now I'm getting the switch out. I don't know of a better way to do it, so I'm just using some, you know, ungrooved channel locks, whatever you want to call them. Squeeze those little tangs, and I had to use, you know, go like this, flip it upside down and do it. And you see I'm just kind of working it out. I think I got it now though. Okay, so I got the switch out there. So now we're ready for the new one. Here's why I'm replacing mine. The mechanism inside just doesn't work anymore. So it doesn't turn off. It's pretty funny. So I was turning this on and off with the breaker. So new switch coming in now. All right, so here's the new one. Just make sure you put it in the same orientation as the original, which was like this. We're just gonna push it in. Hopefully it'll go in. All right, that'll work. So that's good. So now we can start hooking these back up. Okay, I got my wires hooked back up, same way they came off, so we're good there. And just slid back the little sleeves. And now all we gotta do is put the cover back on and zip all the screws in, and that's it, we're done. So